Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to see journaling or planner making. So you guys must have seen the aesthetic planners or else what we can say journaling videos. Nowadays it's a really trending thing. So I decided to make one tutorial for you guys. So you can see. So what I have making is based on like sky or clouds theme, and what I plan or I do in the journaling is I mention some moments that really made me happy. So you can choose anything, that doesn't matter. And as you can see one video from my YouTube channel of unboxing of this planner kit. I have used all the materials from that kit. So now you can see how I have used the things from that, like good washi tapes, then this picture of a cloud, picture of flowers. Just you have to arrange it as you want. There is no any rocket science in that or any techniques in that. You just need to relate the things that you are watching in your surroundings or anything like like this planner I made it in one trip where I was with my best friend, and that area was like very beautiful, surrounded and full of clouds. Like the weather was so cloudy, but again not rainy, so like blue sky with the clouds, and there were so many of trees. So that's why I have used this flowers and clouds, everything. So just that you need to relate your moment with that, and just any quote or anything that reminds you of that place, you can simply add that in your planner. Link of this planner kit I will mention it in our description. Please don't forget to check it, and if you like this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel also. Now here I was choosing some of the stickers. I took help from my friend here. Also, if you don't want to buy that kit, I will mention all the list which you need to make a planner, the list of materials in a description box. You can choose anything, pick anything and paste them randomly on your page. That will really give you a wonderful look. You don't need to put lots of effort in thinking how to make. Instead of, you can put some effort in what to make, like what you want to convey from your plan. That will help you to make it more simpler and beautiful in easier steps. Now enough of stickers. Now just write something to give it a handmade touch, and something that means some quotes that you like, and our book, our journal, our planner is ready. So please let me know if you like it, or whatever feedbacks that you want to share or suggest anything in comment section below, and please keep watching. Bye.